right, so now we have a chest press machine. This is going to be working your chest muscles. Usually there are two adjustments for this. The back of the machine will move your seat forward or backwards. So this will give you comfort level toward the bar to the handles in front of you. So depending on your size, taller, shorter, things of that nature, you're going to want to adjust that appropriately. Then the bottom seat will also adjust for height. So shorter ladies, pop it up. Taller gents, lower it down. And that one's pretty straightforward. So once you go to sit into the machine, you want to make sure your handles are midline of your chest. So if it's up at your shoulders, you need to lower your machine down and vice versa. Once you're in the machine, again, prior to lifting, making sure that your weights are stacked appropriately to the right weight prior to lifting. When you go to push, you want to make sure you squeeze your chest muscles, and then you're going to push your spine into the machine or into the pads as you go to lift. And you'll just be pressing straight up forward. Machines will give you a natural range of motion. So the nice thing is you won't have to worry about flaring around when you go to do this muscles. But you'll just be contracting into the chest muscles naturally, keeping your elbows at your side, angled, so not flaring up and not straight down. But again, the machine will kind of naturally guide you into a safe range of motion. The most important part is where your handles actually lie across your chest.